What's the best way to get social media engagement? I get this question a lot. I wrote the book LinkedIn the Sandler Way for us here at Sandler. You can find it free at sandler.com. And here's some of my thoughts. I think the best engagement on social media, especially from prospects, is by asking questions or by posting interesting things and then getting a response and starting interesting conversations from that. So you could be curating other people's. You don't have to do crazy influencer things or the latest TikTok dance to get attention. You can post a picture of you helping a client. I love great pictures of successes. Whenever you have that awesome end result with your product, or it looks great, that unboxing right out of the box. Or maybe if you have a service, a happy testimonial or a shot of people using your service. And then asking great questions, challenging people with questions maybe like this one: how do you get social media engagement? And ask them to respond in the comments below. What we really want to do in sales with social media is not build a following, not become famous and become the next Mr. Beast, but to start interesting sales conversations, to get somebody just to say, yes, I want to learn more, and then we can reach out to them in a private message and see if there's anything there that would be a great sales opportunity for us. Love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How do you get social media engagement? What are your most engaging posts? Share those in the notes below.